In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a direct link to a course to the menu of your LifterLMS website. So on this website, I am using the Cadence WP theme, so it's a standard layout for how to add menus. You can find the menus under the WP admin of your website. If you go to Appearance, Menus, here we go. We have a few menus here. You can create multiple menus on your site and put them in different locations. You could have one menu in your header, one menu in your footer, or place them around anywhere you want to. On this site, I'm just using this one menu for the most part. And so you can see here, I have my home page and blog page, and I can do all sorts of things here. If I were to make this like the blog a sub item of the home, you can see I have a little bit of a drop down going on there. All sorts of cool things you can do. But for adding a direct link to a course, you can simply go to the side here and you'll see a whole list of your courses you can add to the menu. If you don't see this option on the side, check out the upper right hand corner of your screen under Screen Options. This is where you can add to this list on the side here. So if I were to collapse this and I wanted to have tags for blog posts in there, I could. It'll pop up right there on the side. Memberships, I could put as many on here as I wanted to. But courses right here is going to be where I can see my direct link to courses. And then the same for memberships as well. And if you wanted to link up to a lesson or something like that, something really specific, you can always use this custom link feature to link directly there. This could also link to another website you have or something like that, but you can always add a custom link or just add the courses right here. So if I wanted to add maybe my course catalog, let me also add my student dashboard page while I'm here. This site doesn't have a student dashboard page yet, so let me go to Pages and add my course catalog, and I have my student dashboard. So the dashboard is where students can go sign in, and then the course catalog is where all the courses are listed. And then under courses, I'm going to highlight a few of my courses here, and I'm going to make them sub-items of my course catalog. So now I have direct links on my menu to my courses, and let me actually simplify these names a little bit. We'll just call it quiz course and assignments course. All right, awesome. So save menu. And now if I head back over here to my website and reload, we will have the student dashboard where students can come log in. I have my course catalog if you wanted to come see all the courses available on my website, or you could hover over and go to one of my courses directly. And of course, maybe I have a sales page set up or some sort of setup in place here to have some content displayed to people who are not enrolled and some content to people who are enrolled. So that's how you can add a direct link to a course directly to your menu on your WordPress website. And of course, you can place your navigation menu anywhere you want to, embed it in a page, put it in a footer, put it in the header, but that's how you can add a direct link to a course to your navigation menu. This has been Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.